in a panchayat meeting where there were police protection, somebody assaulted, and not only did he assault the person, there were women police personnel who were pushed, and yet no action has been taken against the person who has committed, the perpetrator who has committed the assault. Instead, the PI is telling us that I see no need for any arrest to happen. Last year, somebody was assaulted. Again, we had the same problem. It took very long to file an FIR. This year, again, in the presence of police, assault is being committed. His own personnel are being affected. If he cannot protect his own personnel, how will he protect us when we are in our houses and we are on the road? Will he also then say, I am conducting an investigation, I cannot conduct any arrest? Is this the security we are getting from our own police inspector and our own police? Is this the security his own police personnel are getting from the PI? You please decide what is happening over here. In fact, the other person has filed counter FIR without any eyewitness, without any video, and that FIR is being entertained and it is going for investigation. It is my request to the person who has committed assault to think what he is doing, and to the police to think what he is doing. There is dereliction of duty, and there is a chance that this man can be convicted for assault. It all depends on under what condition or under what IPC section the FIR has been registered on. But definitely assault has happened. The perpetrator can receive conviction, and if he receives conviction, let him know he cannot stand for any public office. His whole career will be spoiled. So let him think carefully what he is doing to himself, and if he thinks any of the villagers are going to stand for this a second time or a third time, both the police and all these people who are trying to frighten us have got it very badly mistaken. Let them think about it.
Your name, please?
My name is Thaddeus D'Souza. I live in Anjuna, house number 6041.
Each one of us should start thinking about this, analyze. Is it true, not true? कोणे कितें सांगलें म्हूण एविडन्स आसा तें आमचो थोडे घेताय जायत, थोडे घेयनाय जायत, ते कोण घेयनाय, कोण पळय रायट गोंयचे पासून जायते लोक पेडणे सोन काणकोण फोंड्यां टू वास्को जायते लोक न्हू बरे मनान गोंयचे पासून वावरताय. तितून तुका एकलो वायट आहा जायतो ते सगळ्यांक वायट करप न्ही. सो अगेन आय एम सेइंग we have a brain and the mind of our own. We need to use it without believing others. This is what I can say.
I would also like to add, this is the only allegation on activists. If you want to pull down a good activist, this is the only allegation which can pull him down without any. Activists are really fighting for Goa, but this allegation is the only allegation which is baseless, without proof. It is just being used to pull down the activists.
That's said by the local MLA.
Anybody can say that, boss. Anybody can say that. The local MLA, see, the activists are the only people who are opposing. Yeah, the activists. Yeah, the activists are the only people who are opposing such kind of evil things or this kind of misdoing. So they will only stand in front of the politician, and the politician has to bring them down. See, we have come here to the police station to show our grievances, or rather to show our concern to what has happened to Dr. Naseem. What has happened on Sunday was very, not expected. He was putting up some matters in the interest of the villagers, but he was assaulted very badly on camera. Everybody has seen that. Even a lady, Anna, who went to help, or rather to, squash off the matter, she was pushed. There were 5 policemen, and they were just spectators. They have not done anything. In fact, they should have pounced into the matter before this incident could take place. Having 5 policies over there, it didn't serve the purpose. It didn't serve the purpose. In fact, now we have to file FIRs, counter FIRs have been filed, and the case has to be pursued, which is not accepted. Today we have come again to show our concern, to file an FIR and to get the concerned person arrested or take action on him. If it has not been done, probably we will move take further course of action. Okay, thank you.
गोंयकारांक नमस्कार. आज जे कोण अंजुनाचे लोक हांगा आयल्यात तांकां आमी काळजांतान देव बरें करूं. जे ग्रामसभान जालां द वे VC हांव आतां मारगांवसून आमची टीम आयिल्ली आसा सावथाकसून. जॅक मास्कारेनस, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ गोंयचे फुडले पिळगे तातूंत. नाव वॉट एवर हॅपन ग्रामसभेन जे अंजुनान जालां द वे VC तें जालां तें आमच्या नेणारपणाक लागून. इट्स आवर इग्नोरन्स. Because we think money is everything, but we must understand the bigger picture. We have to understand the short-term gain and the impact of long-term in our future generation. जोरी तर आमी पयशे जाय म्हणले आनी हाल्या आमच्या भुरग्यांक आमच्याच गांवांत रावपाक, न्हिदपाक सुशेग ना, शिकपाक कांयच ना, रावपाक गोंयच्याच भुरग्यांक जमीन ना. जाल्यार आमी हेंवूय चिंतपाक जाय. आज पयशे आसात आनी हाल्या आमच्या भुरग्यांक रावपाक सुशेग ना. This is not the right thing to do. We should not compromise quality of life against economy. पयशे जाय पण ते आमी बॅलन्सूय करपाक जाय. सो आमी गांवच्या लोकां लागीं मागता, अंजुनाचेच न्हय आख्ख्या गोंयच्या लोकां लागीं मागता, वी नीड टू सी द बिगर पिक्चर. आयज पयशे केले आनी फाल्यां आमच्या भुरग्यांक सुशेग ना जाल्यार दिस इज नॉट द रायट थिंग. हांव अंजुना लोकांक आनी ते ग्रामसभा जाला ते मागता आमी चिंतपाक जाय वॉट इज गूड इन लॉंग टर्म, नॉट ओन्ली शॉर्ट टर्म बेनिफीट. सो आनेक पावट हे सगळे लोक येयल्यात. प्लस कोण येयल्ले न्हय बारीक चिंतचें आनी आमी गोंयचे पासत राखचें. ते कॉर्पोरेट गोंयांक येवन आमच्या गोंयकारांक आस दाखोवन आमच्या नेणारपणाचो फायदो काडत हें आमी पयलीं चिंतपाक जाय. सो लेट्स थिंक ऑफ आवर फ्युचर जनरेशन, कम टुगेदर अँड टेक अ वायज डिसिजन. आनी लोकां लागीं मागता आमी एकठांय जावन गोंय सांबाळपाचें प्रयत्न करपाची गरज आसा. आनी एक पाट मिडियाक आनी लोक हांगा आयले तांकां काळजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. थँक्यू.
I mean, taking money has been put on, especially on Nash, on doctor. I just want to clarify this. We were there with him when the video was taken. He was telling the kids, small kids, as a doctor, he is telling the people, elderly people, not to take. Toddlers are not allowed. According to his rules and regulation, whatever he has studied on the health ground, he is telling the children, he did not enter, we did not enter, we all were there, he was not alone. And extortion, she is saying, the MLA, that we are taking the money. Is any background is there of us, we are taking the money? Or she has seen, because she is saying all the time, this is not her first time, I have heard her several times, on several occasions, on several notes, that she is saying these people are doing like that. Did she come to see? Did she ask someone? Because somebody else is telling his person, my men, they are saying my men. They are listening only to their my men. They are not listening to the person who is suffering. Ask the sufferers, then she will come to know. My man is who and the sufferers are who. She must distinguish these two people, my men and the sufferers. She didn't come on the ground to listen all to this. And if we are not, there is any background that we are taking money, the taxi drivers are also saying, we took money. Any background is there? I am fighting for so many cases. I have not taken. 55 lakhs has been offered to me, but I have not taken that 55 lakhs. How long I am going to stay with that 55 lakhs? Grandchildren, others will have grandchildren. They have to stay. 55 lakhs is nothing in front of all our nature. Our nature is most important for us. If nature is not there, we will not able to survive. If we have money tomorrow, we will not have electricity, we will not have water. This we must think. People are not thinking. Only they are saying, potara rehta. I don't understand what is the logic. And everybody, these ladies who are selling the tea and all, they are being instigated by the drivers and the owners of the Purple Martin and others. They have been instigated and brought. When we go for a round, we drink tea, eat omelette on this gadas. At 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we eat. I myself have eaten on that this thing, gadas and all. How they can say, what are tamron? I want to ask these ladies, they have been instigated and brought for the Gram Sabha. Otherwise, they don't come. Nobody comes for the Gram Sabha. I am there for every Gram Sabha.
So how much she must have taken? She is saying, putting allegation on us that we are taking money and this and that. She has jumped from one party to another party.
How much she has taken?
What is she then? What is she? What we should say to her? So ma'am, please, when you talk, think twice, think wisely,
and see
in your own eyes. Just don't talk to anybody, whoever is your man and our man. Everyone is our man here, our people. We are not for certain particular people here. We are for everyone.
We are for the interest of the village.
त्या दिसा कितें जालें पंचायतींत व्हिडिओ एविडन्स हा म्हणटा ती गजाल हांवें आदल्या दिसा व्हिडिओ धाडलेलो तांकां तो डिस्प्ले बोर्ड घातला पर्पल मार्टिनी रेस्टॉरंटात डिस्प्ले बोर्डार हा 56 पॉयंट समथींग हा वयर पूण तो वॉल्यूम आहलो बाप म्हाका दिसता म्हाजी शीट पावता त्या हिसपान तो आमकां हांगासर एक दीस दाखयलो कोणें हें करून 55 डेसिमल कितलो पळय तो त्या प्रमाणे म्हाका तो 100 डेसिमला वयर आवाज लागलो. हांवें थिंग घातलेलें कितें गोलमाल हा बाबा पळयात हो म्हणल्यार आवाज आनी हो तो डिस्प्ले बोर्ड वाचता. तर त्या आनी म्हाका कितें फंक्शन आहलें म्हणून हांव त्या टायमान इवनिंग फंक्शनाक गेली. ते मिस्टर मागीर पळोवंक येयले खरेंच कितें हा काय म्हणून. आनी ते पळयता पळयता ते दुसऱ्या रेस्टॉरंटान पावले. तितून हें खंयच्या रेस्टॉरंट ते म्हणटा आमी भितर सरोंक ना आमी भायर थांब फोटो काडले. ओके तर ते हांव विचारूंक सोदतां ते दिसा बॉम्ब मारतात 10 o'clock पासून व्हॉल्यूम वाजोव येता आमी म्हणून ते हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारूंक सोदतां 10 o'clock पासून कितल्या मातशें हेंच्या कानार घालात कितले डेसिमल वाजोव येता आनी कितल्या लोकांक आमकां टेन्शन दिवं येता पळय ते आमच्यान रावन वचो. भुरगीं कोण आहा तेंच्यान हिसाब करून वचो. कोणाच्यान काम करताले वर्क फ्रॉम होम आहले म्हाजो चेडो बेजार जातालो. मेंटल जावची तकली येताली. तो 1 वर्स आदीं घर सोडून गेलो एग्जाम म्हणून शिंकतालोय बी भितर. पेपर म्हणून दिवंक बेंगलोर गेलोलो तो सोमतो मागीर तिचो रूम पळयलो आनी मम्मा पूण रावता हांगासर रावंक जायना म्हणून लागलो पूण वयता बेंगलोर म्हणून गेलो. आतां तर ऑफिस वर्क जालोलो आहा पूण इतलें आमकां टेन्शन आमकां तोंडूच उक्तें करूंक दिनात. 2 वर्सां फाटीं आमी वॉल्यूम काडलो मिडियाक आपयले आनी मिडियाचेर तो साई प्रसाद कोण पळय तेचेर हेच पार्टी पर्पल माटी विकूच पूण ते आतां भायर सरोंक ना. आतां तेचे फॅमिलीले दुसरे आमकां हे कित्याक टॉर्चर आमी हांगा सरली आमची घरां पिणकेची हितून हाडल्या लोकांनी आमचे माड काडल्या कोणें व्हडयेन हें काम केलां आमी दर्यार हाना अजून ते बिटवीन 100 मिटर बांदतात तुमी रेस्पेदान राहात आमकांय रेस्पेदान रावंक दियात न्हू. आमचे पेशन्स लेवल घे जाल्यार आमकां तोंडूच उक्तें करूंक दिनात. सगळे बिचीर हात तुमी बरे हात बरे भाशेन राहात दुसऱ्याकूय रावंक दियात.
बॉडी पयले आसतले आमी आवाज जाता म्हणून कंप्लेनां दिवंक येतात पुलीस स्टेशनार आनी हे पूण आमी केन्ना म्हणोंक ना कोणाची म्युजीक बंद कर कोणाचे बिझनस बंद कर आमी केन्नाच म्हणोंक ना. आमी फकत म्हणला हो आवाज जो व्हडल्यान जाता 5 चालू जाता 10 न्हय 5 भुरग्यांक लिसाव करूंक मेळना. रातचे 10 म्युजीक बंद जातली आनी मागीर आमची भुरगीं लिसाव करतली सकाळी उठोन स्कॉलाक वयतली केहे जातले सांगा पळया. लोक आतां म्हणटा आमी आपल्या पोटार आड येतात आयकोन आयकोन वाज आयल्या. आमी केन्ना कोणाच्या पोटार आड येवंक ना. आमी फकत सांगला जो आवाज जाता तो तुमी स्लो करात. आमच्या भुरग्यांक शिकोनी आमच्या जाणट्यांक न्हिदोनी कावजाक हो आवाज बरो न्ही. तो जो बेस सोडटात पळय ते सारको सोसूंक जायना. कावजांक सारकी ढोबढोब जातात आनी होल्यान भुरगीं खंय शिकतलीं जाणटी खंय न्हिदतलीं. पूण आतां फकत हें केलां की आमी तांच्या पोटार आड येतात आनी आतां हे मिसअंडरस्टँडींग क्रिएट केलां. हांव नको कोणें केलां आनी कितें केलां पळय तें.
It was very unfortunate. We didn't expect these things to happen. Somebody from outside should come and assault somebody. हितून कितें जालां हे आतां आयज आमचे पंचायतीन जालां फाल्यां तुमचेय पंचायतीन जातले. इन दीस डेमोक्रेटीक आमचे कंट्रीन टू सप्रेस दीस वॉयस इज व्हेरी हे आतां कितें जाता आमचे दुसरे कोण MLA कोण आहा ते धाडटा तेंच्या मनशांक तुमी वचात तेंचो आवाज बंद करात रेजोल्युशन पास करपाक तांकां मातशें त्रास करात. सो अशें जर जाता तर दुसऱ्या पंचायतीन तशेंच जातलें. सो गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक मागता की तुमी मातशें ह्या हितून पळोवचें आनी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवचें आनी तुमी ह्यो एक स्ट्रॉंग मेसेज दिवचो. सो जे आमी एकठांय जाले आयज टू डिमांड दे अरेस्ट बट अरेस्ट अजून तेंच्यांनी करूंक ना 2 दीस जाले. So our only request to the Goa government and the authorities to take strict action against this incident.
If I write an application and go to every house for signature, everybody will be giving willingly, but everybody cannot come personally. Each one has their own thing. Somebody will be sick, some child.